Hey everyone, is your Messenger app stuck on connecting and not loading messages? This usually happens because of connection issues or server problems. No worries, in this video I'll show you how to fix it easily. Solution 1. Switch your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, connect to Wi-Fi. Then open Messenger again. Sometimes certain networks are blocked. DNS prevents the app from connecting. Solution 2. Toggle airplane mode. Turn airplane mode on for 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. Relaunch Messenger. This refreshes your device's internet modules and can fix minor network bugs. Solution 3. Clear Messenger cache. Open Settings on your phone. Go to Apps or App Management. Find and tap Messenger. Tap Storage, then Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can slow down the app. Don't worry, your chats and data won't be deleted. Solution 4. Reset network settings on Xiaomi. Open the Settings app. Tap More Connectivity Options. Scroll down. Tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. It will reset your network. Solution 5. Check for server issues. Visit downdetector.com and search for Messenger. If there's a spike in reports, Messenger may be down globally. Wait a few hours and try again. Sometimes it's not your device, it's Facebook servers. After these steps, your Messenger app should no longer be stuck on connecting. If this video helped, please like and comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and fixes. Thanks for watching.